How to apply for unemployment in Florida. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply unemployment in Florida, helping you access the support you need. To apply for unemployment in Florida, visit the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity website, gather your social security number, driver's license, and employment history. Create an account or log in to file your claim online. Fill out the necessary information about your job and reasons for unemployment. After submitting your application, remember to check your claim status and certify your benefits weekly. By following the steps, you can effectively apply for unemployment benefits in Florida.